Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the best and most epic road moments caught on drivers' dashcam. This episode is going to be epic and full of crazy situations, so make sure to stick for a while because you'll definitely enjoy in this one. Let's not waste any more time and dive straight into this episode. For whatever reason, this Mercedes driver brake checked the camera and nearly caused an accident with his random driving. Indicators are an essential part in keeping you and the ones around safe. Make sure your indicators work and by all means, use them whenever you want to make a lane change. Other drivers can't read minds, but they know how to act when they see a blinker on time.
Yeah. But I still would have hit him if I'd have been under full acceleration.
Yeah. I think that's a kid in the back seat. He definitely doesn't know how to use his blinkers.
Or they don't work.
Yeah, maybe they don't work.
Always think twice before using the shoulder of the road. I'm sure this driver will.
Öyle yani. Neyse inşallah açılır yakında işte. Airport.
Yeah.
Değil mi? Bahar da oluyor inşallah.
Now, turn left from a straight on there. Jackass.
Nissan driver sped past the camera just to cut in front of him. Luckily, the camera was paying attention and he avoided a potential crash.
Good job.
You mark that as
Yep, I marked.
Camera caught a crazy road rage situation between two drivers who tried to push each other off the road completely. Driver didn't indicate nor did he check his mirrors. He thought that the road belongs to him and that no one else might be there. With this clip we conclude another epic and entertaining episode on Caught on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and taking some notes on how to properly behave in traffic and what to avoid doing. If you support this type of work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow and it motivates me to put out more content like this for you guys. Hit that bell button as well to stay up to date with my latest work. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.